Is Bitcoin really dead? The truth about crypto's future? Bitcoin is down again. You've seen the headlines, the media is screaming crypto is dead, governments are cracking down and everyone is panicking. But before you ditch your Bitcoin for beanie babies, ask yourself this. Is this really the end of crypto? Or is this just another bump on the road to a much bigger financial revolution? When you see Bitcoin drop thousands of dollars in a day, it's easy to freak out. But here's the thing, I've been in the real estate game for years. I've seen markets crash and burn only to rise even higher than before. So, in this video we're diving deep into the truth about Bitcoin's future. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the Wealth Code so you don't miss out on wealth building strategies. Let's be honest, alright? Crypto has been on one heck of a roller coaster ride lately. From its all-time high, Bitcoin has dropped by over, insert current percentage. I'm talking thousands of dollars gone. And don't even get me started on altcoins. Some of them have been absolutely obliterated. People have lost money, serious money. But here's the thing you need to remember. This isn't the first time crypto has taken a nosedive. Remember 2018? Bitcoin plummeted from $20,000 to $3,000. Everyone swore it was dead. But guess what? It bounced back, hitting $69,000 in 2021. Bitcoin has crashed over 80% multiple times before. And every single time, it's come back even stronger. This is like watching the same movie over and over again, but people still freak out during the scary parts. Investing in crypto is not for the faint of heart. But if you're willing to hold on tight, the potential rewards are absolutely insane. Market cycles are a natural part of any emerging market, especially one as revolutionary as cryptocurrency. So yeah, the market's down right now. But for those who understand the game, this isn't the end, it's just the beginning. Okay, so we've established that crypto crashes aren't exactly a new phenomenon. But why are so many people convinced that this time it's different? Why is everyone so quick to jump on the crypto is dead bandwagon? First, let's talk about regulations. Governments worldwide are starting to realize that crypto is here to stay, and they're scrambling to figure out how to regulate it. We've seen crackdowns on exchanges, stricter KYC rules, and even outright bans in some countries. This uncertainty can definitely make investors nervous. Then there's the issue of scams and scandals. The crypto space has had its fair share of bad actors. We've seen massive hacks, rug pulls, and collapses like FTX, Celsius, and Terra Luna, which wiped out billions of dollars and seriously damaged trust in the industry. And of course, we can't forget about good old-fashioned market cycles. We are currently in a bear market, which is a fancy way of saying that prices are going down. And when prices go down, people panic. They sell their crypto at a loss, which drives the price down even further, and it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. But here's the thing, if we zoom out and look at the big picture, crypto is actually following the same pattern as pretty much every other new, disruptive technology in history. Remember the dot-com bubble? Back in the late 90s, everyone and their dog was investing in internet companies, but then the bubble burst, and a lot of those companies went bust. The point is, new technologies always go through periods of hype and disillusionment, and crypto is no different. Alright, so we've talked about the reasons why people are freaking out about crypto, but now let's talk about why they're wrong, because the truth is, crypto is far from dead. In fact, I'd argue that it's just getting started. Don't believe me, let's look at the data. First off, institutional adoption is exploding. Big-time players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and PayPal are all investing heavily in crypto. These are not companies that throw money around lightly. Then there's the issue of scarcity. Unlike fiat currencies like the US dollar, which can be printed endlessly by governments, Bitcoin has a limited supply. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins in existence. And as demand for Bitcoin continues to grow, this scarcity will only drive the price higher. And speaking of driving the price higher, let's not forget about halving events. Roughly every 4 years, the rate at which new Bitcoins are created is cut in half. And historically, these halving events have been followed by massive bull runs. The next halving is scheduled for 2024. The bottom line is this. Every time Bitcoin has been declared dead, it has come back stronger, more resilient, and more valuable than before. Okay, so by now, you probably have a pretty good idea of why reports of crypto's death have been greatly exaggerated. But here's the million-dollar question. How can you actually profit from all of this? How do you position yourself to be in the right place at the right time? Here are 3 strategies to build real, lasting wealth with crypto, without gambling your life savings away. Strategy number 1, accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's right, I'm talking about the OG cryptocurrencies. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, isn't it too late to buy Bitcoin? Hasn't the ship already sailed? But here's the thing, most people who bought Bitcoin at its all-time high didn't get rich quick. The real key to building wealth with crypto is to think long-term. And one of the best strategies for long-term investors is dollar cost averaging, or DCA for short. DCA is simple. Instead of trying to time the market perfectly, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the price. Strategy number 2, look beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. While I believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum are the foundation of the crypto market, there are also huge opportunities in what are known as altcoins, or alternative cryptocurrencies. Specifically, I'm talking about Layer 2 solutions, AI-powered blockchains, and DeFi projects. These are all areas of the crypto space that are building the infrastructure for the future of finance. But here's the catch. Not all altcoins are created equal. That's why it's absolutely crucial to do your research and invest in projects that have a solid team, a real use case, and a strong community behind them. And finally, strategy number 3, and this one is arguably the most important: avoid scams and overhyped coins like the plague. The crypto space is like the Wild West right now. There are a lot of amazing projects out there, but there are also a lot of scams and schemes that are designed to part you from your money. The key is to focus on projects that have real utility, that are solving real problems, and that have a long-term vision. If you're serious about building wealth with crypto, you need to treat it like a business. Do your research, understand the risks, and invest for the long term. So, is Bitcoin dead? Absolutely not, but it's definitely evolving. Remember, every crash, every dip is just another chance for the market to shake out the weak hands and the scams. It's the projects with real utility, a dedicated community, and a solid foundation that will survive and thrive in the long run. The real question is, will you be prepared when the next bull run happens? Will you be on the sidelines kicking yourself for not getting in when you had the chance? Or will you be riding the wave to financial freedom? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to The Wealth Code, and turn on notifications for more crypto and finance content. And let me know in the comments below. Where do you think Bitcoin will be in 5 years? Let's talk.